Atol sa joint congressional hearing kagahapon kabahin sa post-Yolanda assessment, may butiyag si Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez nga problema gihapon sa syudad ang kuryente.
Well, ang problema namin sa Tacloban, yung latest count namin, only 5% of the city has electricity. And that's very difficult because, as I said, Tacloban City is the economic hub, and they're waiting that many of these businesses open, and of course, they will not open until there is electricity also in the neighborhoods. Because pag nagkaroon ng kuryente sa mga residential areas, babalik na rin yung mga ibang pamilya at dadalhin yung mga anak nila para makapag-aral sa mga private schools. Kaya umiiyak din yung mga private schools. I had a meeting with them last week because sabi nga nila na bakit government schools lang ang tinutulungan. They're all crying now because they have only 10% of their students that came back. And the reason was there's no electricity. And this is very important and very crucial to Tacloban City because even let's talk about food. We don't have now cold storages operating there. So what's happening? They're bringing in livestock. And since our slaughterhouse is 80% destroyed, so we're just making do with what we have and coupled with the bad weather. So this is the very important key factor that has to be addressed immediately, that I'm really hoping that other agencies can come in and and really help out, because pag nag-umpisa kasi yan, makakatayo na kami sa sarili namin, lalo na yung syudad, especially in the economic side of it, no? Because especially all those people out there, most of them that were displaced are employees. And once these businesses open, they'll be getting back their jobs. So magkakaroon na rin sila ng pera, iikot na naman ang ekonomiya. So that's what we're really hoping na ma-fast track. Because right now, when I say 5%, it's only the major roads that have electricity and partially downtown area. And now they're trying to move into, but the biggest neighborhood like BNG, wala pa doon. Pati mga schools, almost all the schools wala pang kuryente. I would say 95% of the schools wala pang kuryente. The city hospital does not also have electricity, so it's difficult. So everybody's operating sa generator, which is very costly.
Sa maong hearing, nag-abot usab si Romualdez ug DILG Secretary Mar Rojas. Kuyog ang duha sa dihang miatubang sila sa media. Nagkabiki lang duha ka opisyal human mipadayag si Romualdez nga adunay pamulitika sa relief operations human gilampor na sa bagyong Yolanda ang syudad.